Hello traders, in this video we are going to take a look at the world of proprietary trading and how collaboration with FTMO works. Proprietary trading or prop trading means trading under a company utilizing their capital. And this is actually the key difference from hedge fund, because hedge fund uses money from the investors. Sometimes this is done under a salary, but almost always this is done under a commission-based system. That means that the payout depends on the profits you make and that you are not risking any capital. So to summarize it, prop firms are looking for talented traders that are able to generate profits, and in return they are able to cut some profits and share it with the trader. And I really want to emphasize that traders do not receive regular salary but get a cut from the profits instead. In most offline proprietary firms, the trader also has to pay a monthly fee for the software and the desk. And these fees are usually a few $1,000s monthly. One of the biggest advantages of trading for a prop firm is that they in fact are gonna take a loss for you. And of course there are some boundaries to that, but the firm knows that there can be some drawdowns happening and they will cover it for you. One of the great features of trading for a prop firm is that they are gonna increase your capital. And we are gonna talk about it in a little bit. So what type of proprietary firms are out there? There are firms basically for every product that you can imagine. For example, futures, stocks, options, and forex. In the recent years, with the rise of quantitative trading firms which focus on high-frequency trading, there are more and more prop firms that go online. So that means that you will hardly find a 9-to-5 job as a prop trader if you are not living in cities like London, Chicago, or New York. And here is where FTMO comes in place. At FTMO, we want to give chance to all traders all around the world, no matter the education, age, or trading strategy. We want to help traders with undercapitalization once they pass our evaluation process. As we are a completely remote firm, you don't have to pay thousands of dollars worth of desk and software fees. All you have to do is join FTMO with a one-time fee payment. And this fee is even refundable once it is time for your first profit split. On top of that, you are not even paying any trading commissions if you use our FTMO platform. Since we want our traders to be successful, you will be able to use our in-house developed applications and our performance psychologist. With all of this, you will get 70% of your profits and the company will take 30%. And you will get an option to scale your funding. So if you are a great trader, FTMO will increase your capital by 25% every 4 months. And if you want to learn more about the scaling plan, feel free to visit the description of this video. So if you are a great trader and you think that you can manage money of someone else, visit ftmo.com for more information.